in Site Admin. On the Site Branding page, you can update the way items are displayed on your site's homepage. When updating your homepage display settings, you can define the full name and short name for your site. The site short name that you define will be displayed in the Browser tab when your site is open. You can then select the items you would like to display on your site's login page. You can display either site-wide announcements, all courses and categories, both or neither. The item you select in the left-hand field will be displayed first, and the item in the right-hand field will be displayed second. Similarly, you can also select the items you would like to display on your site's homepage. The only difference here is that you have the additional option to display user-enrolled courses only, which will update your homepage so that learners can only see the courses for which they have been enrolled and not all courses on your LMS. Once you save your changes, your settings will be applied to the relevant pages.